Have you heard about Clubhouse? Maybe you already are a part of Clubhouse. Clubhouse is the maybe new big app on social media. And today I'm going to share with you my first impressions. Hi, I am PixelPia. And since I make tutorials about internet or social media, I had to find out about Clubhouse. Clubhouse is an audio-only app, and right now it's only available on iPhone, and it is in beta version under invite only.
So, even though I am very much an Android person, I got myself an Apple phone.
So what is Clubhouse? I would describe it as a podcast in real time without any recording. It is happening live, and when it's over, it's gone. It is built up with different rooms where you can hop in and hop out and listen to the conversation. Each room has moderators. It also contains of speakers, and then there are listeners. So far, I have only been a listener, and I think I will stay a listener for a little while. The topic can be anything. I am very much into learning, so I have listened in on rooms that discuss topics that I want to learn more about. And I have learned quite a few things. And some rooms, especially rooms discussing YouTube, has inspired me quite a lot. I took a look at the guidelines that Clubhouse put out. And in those guidelines, they say they are built on the following principles, and I will read here to get it right. Be yourself, be respectful, be inclusive, build empathy and understanding, and foster meaningful and genuine connections. As I said, there are 3 roles in a room. The moderator, who also is a speaker, with the power to add or remove other speakers, that has as its role to guide the conversation and has a strong influence on the content and the style of the room. Then we have the speakers. This is the persons in the room that has the ability to turn on and off their microphone. The moderator and the first person joining a room are speakers by default. After that, the moderator has to add the role of speaker to someone. And then we have listeners. As a listener, you are just listening in to the conversation, but you have the opportunity to raise your hand, just as in school, and the moderator can give you the possibility to speak. They also have some rules. You must use your real name and identity. You must be 18 years or older in some countries, depending on the laws in each country. You may not engage in bullying or harassment. You are not allowed to discriminate, engage in hateful conduct, or direct threats or harassments. No sharing of private information without prior permission. You are not allowed to transcribe, record, or reproduce and or share any information extracted from Clubhouse without the people involved's permission. And of course, regular copyright rules apply, and no illegal activity is allowed. As I said, so far I have only been a listener, and I think Clubhouse will have its place within social media. I think they hit on a niche that had space to fill. The interest for podcasts is rising, and I think that an in real-time discussion app will be very interesting to follow. I think that it's still too early to say how it will develop, but I have had only positive experiences the short time I've been on Clubhouse. And I can't wait until the first chinks are straightened out and until they open it even for Android. if you are interested in discussing more about Clubhouse. You're welcome to my live stream on Wednesday night, 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where the topic will be First Impressions and the Future of Clubhouse. Until then, remember, never stop learning.